Infrared spectroscopy is an analytical technique used to determine the bonds and functional groups in the structure of chemical compounds. It destroys no sample during analysis, hence we call it a non-destructive chemical analysis method. Infrared spectroscopy is a type of spectroscopic technique that involves the interaction of infrared radiation with matter. It is based on the absorption of infrared radiation by a sample and is used to identify and analyze the chemical structure of a sample. The advantage of this technique is that any sample in virtually any state can be studied. For example, samples with states such as powder samples, semi-liquid, liquid, gas, films or thin sheets, and fibers can be easily examined. Molecules are not rigid structures but can bend and stretch in many different ways, as the image of a water molecule shows. IR radiation is absorbed by the bonds of a molecule when the stretching and bending of each bond yield a change in the dipole moment of the molecule. When the electromagnetic radiation interacts with the changing dipole moment of the bond, IR radiation is absorbed. Molecules such as Cl2 are IR inactive. This is because they have no dipoles. On the other hand, molecules such as carbon dioxide, although symmetrical, are IR active. When its bonds undergo an asymmetric stretch or bend, the dipole moment of the molecule changes at a certain rate per second. This is known as its frequency measured in hertz. If this changing dipole frequency matches a frequency in the IR electromagnetic region, then absorption of that particular IR frequency takes place.